Good day, good day, good day. Hope all is well. Finally, I'm close to the point where I can say this model will soon be available for the public to print yourself and build it, or we can print and build it for you. What I have done here is on the servo leads, even if you have a servo lead extension, you'll be able to slide it through the model very easily. I've made the ports where the wires go through very big, so you can easily see how it fits through. A lot of space. So you will not have a problem feeding your servo wires through the whole of the model, even through on this side, all the way out to that side. This actually does go from there around there. I have damaged this while cleaning it by not being careful, and yeah, this is not the final one, but there it is. It goes in and it simply just feeds through. And the servo wire itself very easily goes through. So yeah, no need to fish it through with any other wires or anything else like that. These two pieces have been redesigned, as we've made the connection surface between the components larger. So you only need to put in glue at this point in that corner there, a nice fat bead of glue, and you will not have glue sticking, squeezing out, and it will give for a much nicer and smoother finish. Even on the servo side, your servo bracket and everything will fit in there, bolt in there, so you'll be able to put in and remove a servo. And the servo cover is also separate, and it will not interfere with any of the control surfaces or control horns. You've got a nice tight fit there, very nice seam. So only place where you need glue will be into that corner. The moment you put it together, okay, generous bit of glue. Once you put it together, it will fit together nicely. So let's put this one piece together and the other one and the final piece as well. So as I said, I'm going to demonstrate. Bit of glue. I normally always go overboard with the super glue. As you can see, the amount of super glue I've put on is quite generous. And if you want it to accelerate very fast, spray on that side. And once this goes together, it's going to be quick. And it's done. So fast. And the whole model will be done like that. Sorry about that. I actually forgot that I did stop the video to assist in the little matter of a customer. And I went ahead and assembled the last piece of the wing off camera. As you can see, I did do some cleanup here, but I didn't do it properly. But other than that, it's still a beautiful joint. No glue sticking out, no mess, no wipe. I also did drop this and damaged it a bit, but not that serious. For the elevons, we've got this. It all joins in nicely like that, and it will be straight. So what you need to do is put it flat down on a straight surface, on a flat straight surface, to glue it. I'll someone do this quickly on camera. So this is basically what I do. This is how I assemble it. I do clean up a little bit here, so I don't have a modern printer. I've got a very old printer that we still use, but it still does a phenomenal job. Nicely scuffed up so the glue will stick properly. We do not want any disassembly in flight. As with the others, pieces that are done, three, two, one. Flip over for the other side. And make sure you don't glue everything together like I just did here. Oh, that looks terrible. Hey, clean up again. Now let's get the wing into place again. There, it fits in there perfectly. So what we've got here is, in the next video clip that I'll do, we've got TPU hinges that we print that will go in here and a line up there. The length has been designed so that you've got exactly a 1mm gap between the elevons and the wings. So once you've got that 1mm gap, you're sure you will 100% sure to not have any binding or any of the other problems that do occur with these surfaces sometimes. Okay, and that's just partial wing assembly.